Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So today I have come to our terrace to make video. It is now 5, half past 5 maybe. The time is half past 5 and I thought let's create a YouTube video. It is also a random video. These days I'm trying to speaking randomly because it is very important for me to speak, especially practice speaking. Okay, so that is why whenever I feel like speaking, I just open my camera and I just try to speak randomly. Even every single day I am uploading on my Instagram page. Every single day I am uploading videos. Okay, so there also I upload random video, like I open my camera and say something and I upload. Okay, so if you don't know my Instagram page, then go to the channel description and there I already mentioned the Instagram ID, so from there you can follow me. So these days I am getting up early and like I always used to think to get up early in the morning. This is the one habit I always wanted to change, but finally these days I am like last almost 1 month I am getting up early and it feels so good. And today's weather is also so nice and see, and it feels so good when I come to the terrace. I hear lots of birds are chirping together and it feels so good. So how many of you get up early in the morning? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I am right now just walking and creating this video for YouTube. And last video I got so many comments. People are encouraging me, people are saying you are doing great, so I'm really grateful to each and everyone who commented on my video that ma'am you are doing great. So I'm literally grateful to all of you. Thank you so much for your support and love, and I will keep making videos for you guys. Even I will, the way I used to make tutorial video, I will also keep continue making tutorial type of video as well, so that you can learn something. Okay, and I want to say to all the beginners, I know like a beginner what kind of problem they face when someone start to learn English. They don't understand. Like when I was a beginner, when I started my learning English journey, I was also confused like from where I should start and what are the things I need to learn. And I completely understand the struggle of a beginner. So I would suggest to, if you are a beginner watching my video and thinking of learning English, then I would say just find a YouTube channel or write down on you or write on YouTube search button that 100-day English series to beginners to intermediate level like this, and you will get lots of courses, 60-day courses, 100-day courses, um, according to your mother tongue. Okay, so follow those videos and you will see the improvement. Literally, I followed 100-day series from Dadara School YouTube channel. It is a Bengali channel. Maybe I mentioned this channel name in my previous video. So I learned English from YouTube. So if I can learn English from YouTube, there is no doubt you can also learn from YouTube. Okay, so you have to be just consistent, and one thing you just need, that is your mindset and a willing heart who just want to learn English. Okay, so you have to be serious about this language. Just by thinking you won't be able to speak, you have to learn, you have to speak every single day, and that's how you will be able to speak English, you will be able to learn English, right? So as a beginner at initial state, you should not focus on learning each and everything. Just follow simple and basic English. Okay, learn simple words, like every day you can learn 5 new words and 5 new sentences, and you have to speak those words and sentences out loud. Okay, every single day, and step by step you will improve your English. So like if you are if you someone who is thinking like I can learn English within 3 months, then the truth is you will never be able to learn English within 3 months. You can learn basic English within 3 months. I also learned basic English within 3 months, but to become advanced, to become intermediate level, you have to give at least 6 months to 8 months, and that's the reality. You will find many, you will find on YouTube many YouTubers, they say, or even there are many courses available. They say like, I will teach you English in 30 days, or in 2 months or 3 months. It is impossible, guys. This is the truth, because English is not a subject only. It is a language, and learning a language takes time. You have to put this thing in your mind that learning English, it takes time. And if you are ready to give that much time, then you will obviously able to speak English. You will or you will obviously able to speak English, yes. So now it's been more than 5 minutes video. So I just want to know how many of you, like beginners, are watching my videos. Let me know in the comments, and exactly where you are watching my, from where you are watching my videos. Let me know in the comments. And I forget to say, if you are new here in my channel, then my name is Afsana, and I come from West Bengal. I live near Kolkata. Okay, and if you are watching my video from Kolkata, then you have to comment and write down that yes, you are from Kolkata. Okay, so I am just walking. I already today I have done 5 minutes meditation, and I did not. I have been thinking to do exercise, but today I didn't feel like doing exercise, so that's why I skipped. So these days I am learning, like I am practicing speaking uh, uh, as much as possible, because I have to be fluent, because I have started teaching English. It's been five days, and it is going well. And my student, she is very happy. She is saying that yes, I am learning something from you, and that makes me feel good, because I am able to mm, teach her something, or I am able to help her learn this language. And it is I'm really grateful for myself for that. Okay, so I have a plan to make an institute in near future, where I can teach English. So let's see how it goes. And these days I'm just trying to make a space on trying to build a space online. And that's why I am very much active on Instagram and YouTube. Like last few months I was not able to I was not consistent on YouTube, but from now onwards I will try to be consistent on YouTube. Okay, so I hope this video, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like my random speaking. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you all the best. Keep learning English all the time, and one day you will also become fluent in English. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Bye.